We're making our way to the beach now to get the International Space Station flying above in just about like 30 minutes. It's exhausting. Walking in shoes and stuff like that in the sand is very exhausting. So there's a couple people out here. I'm just gonna figure out the position of the space station and where it's gonna go. All right, I'm just gonna set up here. It's at 8:16 that it appears, so we got a couple minutes left. Sony a7 III, if you're wondering, with a 20mm f1.8 lens, so it'll give me that good wide view. I do have my 85mm just in case. Alright, my main concern right now is just the fact that it might be too bright. At 8:16, I don't keep track of how dark it is at that time. But based off of how the sky looks, which by the way, I love that there's no clouds. Perfect conditions if it does work out. So now it's just a matter of going through my settings. And like I said, the challenge is the fact that the light is still changing. If it were nighttime, then this would be easy because I can lock in my settings and I know the sky won't change. But this is changing by the minute, so we'll see. Doing a test shot now at 15 seconds with my ISO all the way down to 13 seconds. So that would be ideal. So this might work out because it appears in the northwest, which is literally behind the lifeguard stand, and sets in the southeast, so I can adjust my shot and aim it this way for the second try. But for now, we're aiming this way. All right, not sure how visible I am right now, but it is 8:09 and I continue to take test shots in hopes that oh, look at that, it's too dark now. Gotta adjust it again. We're at 3 minutes till the Passover starts. It still has to clear this big building and the rest of the landscape, so I don't expect it for probably a minute or two after. Nevertheless, I'm ready. 8:16 showtime. Let's see if we can get this. Whew, settings are locked in. Heart is racing. Oh, I see it. Yeah, I see it. It is so faint. It's gonna pass behind this building right here and then come into view. Holy shit, it is so faint. Woo, I'm so excited. All right, it's about to peek out through the side of the building on the left, so I'm gonna go for it. Oh Jesus, I don't see it yet. I don't see it. I don't see it. There. I'm gonna show you the picture that I'm most happy with. Honestly, photography is a learning experience. This is probably my second time looking at the space station. I think I've tried to take a picture of it before, but I mean, it's really hard if you barely have any practice. It's not like this thing flies over every day, so. Alright, so before we actually head back and look at the photos, I'm gonna try taking more photos of the lifeguard stand with the night sky because light pollution is a problem here in Miami Beach, and I'm gonna see if I have the capabilities of getting some stars.